What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going. I don't know, so they're attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So, my people, you don't know, say, yo, some video said to me, though, people, couple clippings of video, see? And in them video, basically, it look like one of them local bar there, or one of them local, so them local club something the people, because towards what me see in them video now, people, see? As some local stripper, they could go then. You know what I mean? Because Jamaica go, we call them, you know, people. Which me not disrespect nobody, but go, you understand? And that's their profession, that's their work that they do and thing. And you get what me I say, me not discriminate, me not go against the body, whether they want to choose whatever job they are, that for them thing. You know what I mean? That is the way they do and survive and take care of them family people. Don't know, me not attack them, make them do them thing. But the fact and what me want to talk about now, people, is for no say, who me see in the video behind them something here. Some squad with them big old machine in them hand. Eh? Oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK. So squaddy, when you did the curfew now, when you did there, you know what I mean, protect the people them. Because of duty, you know, you half duty. See, if you don't want to go there, so you could wait till you half duty or something. You link up and go whole phone of vibes. Eh? Who know what they want if you protect against social distancing, no partying and them something there. But you see what you do. You see what you do. And when you catch Jamaican people them, and then on the mass and them this and that, you take on and beat them and mash them up. But look when you found what do. See? Which me know say not all squad do the same thing. People. See? But ever hear them say people, one bad apple spoil the whole bunch. And here they say the good have to suffer for the bad. Attack for no squaddy. Eh? When me see the certain people and the man them all them vibes, you know. The man them and them vibes with them big old thing in them hand. And sadly, them never know say. And man where they cross the board over there, so people have one of them phone the people where them never can see no light on it. See? And a video everything, every moment. I have seen in the video where one of the girl even take off on a squaddy them hat and have it on pan a big old police sign. See? I saw you get catch squaddy. You fi know what you do. I saw you beat up on yourself sometime, you know. And I saw sometime when you make the man them watch, you know, them study, you know, them know the move them on the make. And yes, the squaddy get slapped. Which me don't want to get slapped. But you know fi behave better, man. See, me not say everybody have them life to live. See, I mean I gonna say nothing wrong with a squaddy go do them something and go in a club. Nothing wrong with it, people. But it's when them do it and how them do it. See? Because the man them comes to boom now, people. See? Go in a club, go there some people and do this and that. I mean, I go disrespect them girl. Me say where people are call them all type of name and this. But me not go diss them people. For what reason? This, you go in a countries in the US, you go in some countries and stripping is a big profession there. No joke about it, because to be a stripper over there in the US, you have to go school for it, you have to go class for it. It's not something where you just come so boom, get up and say you're a stripper. No. See? But you know, say Jamaica thing is kind of different. You get me, I see a girl can dance, can go up on her head top, can swing on pole and put on some big old tall heel boot. You see, then call themselves go and fling on some color wig on their head and something. You get what me I say and go there and start up there. Sure. But as me I say, people, that's the way how them eat their food, survive, take care of them people. You see me I say, because, you know, so me not go discriminate against them. And me talking about the squad, you know, who find themselves in this way, holding the vibes all them for them on duty. See? And sometimes, you know, the artists and saddest part about it, you know, people. See? Them left your son now. Drink 2 Guinness, drink couple rum, white rum, high under them spirit people. And when they come to boom and go in at the town and any little move make, maybe a man just one simple thing, you know, them take it the other way and kill the man. Them take it the other way and take gun, bust up the man face. Thump out the man teeth. Are the same man them. See, you see the video where go out with the people with the man them, the blue, are the same type of man them, not them blue dressing uniform, are them same one people. No joke about it, nothing to hide. Are them same one attack. And the boy them take them big old thinking fist and thump out the your teeth. Of course, I mean attack them already and I shoot. Because I'm not afraid. And me are the attacking boss, see? And them find themselves now, people. So them a do them police work, see? Which nothing wrong with them police work, because me no go against police people. But when me say, when police will get attacked, they deserve to be in attack. See? Not for attack when me I go say, yo, go attack the police there, you know? But the word mean attack. See? Because what them do was wrong. They on duty. And the girl them I enjoy people because them don't know them group of squad here. Them don't know so when them squad here roll through and them start for them show what money them a go get. Even though other people in the place to people because I can say where man a fling one bag of $100 bill and something pan girl. But differently you can say that man wasn't a police. Seeing him in a uniform, he was just a regular patron. Or him can even be a police too and him did half duty and him did a link up for him police boy them same way. But me and say people, them squad here need to think. Seeing a man catch them off guard now with a phone, make a video and things still, which, you know, me not gonna say, but me understand when people are gonna make video and do them thing and put them up. Because when people are show them say, look here, Zane, police pressure with so much. They deal with it so bad. And see it to people. Because me hear them something a long time, you know, especially down on the western side, down the Westmoreland side. Zane, because them say, lot of the bar them people, when the bar them comes to the police, them do they start the party, them in the bar them. And them a come say, they have some bar where them now lock off because the man comes say, we want to give them for them cut and then come there now, them drink free, them get them look go and, you know what I mean, them enjoy them vibes. So them not trouble them bar. But you have a next man around the sun or around the lane who a theme bar now and theme bar get the beer attack them. See? Yeah. So, all my cancer viewers and subscribers, them squad here need to think, man. See there? The man them catch them off guard, my people. Off guard. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. And you know what I say because I just put this another topic here right now, people. Just put a look a piece of thing here. And it's based on the look old man they know. When I see the boy then comes to boom people. Zane, the man about 60-year-old or so, 66-year-old and say, and the boy them take the look old man. See? And dash down in a hole now, people. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Over in a scent catching. Rob a taxi man. Poor look a taxi man now. Dash him in a hole. And them say man did a guard him or something. See? But them say, hey boy a guard him for kill him. But me not think so, people. Me think so them dash him in the hole, people. I want him suffer in the hole and dead. Yes. If they want to kill him, then they kill him. You know? And dash him down in the people and him think. But they want to do him a different way, people. See? You see, yo, all me can tell on this viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so you, they are yard. The boy, they're not a heart. Attack for you, not too cruel, not too wicked. The poor look 60-year-old man now. Rob him for car, people. Rob him off him cash. Take him and fling down in a hole. And you know what the saddest thing to now, here again. The boy them go to take this man a car now, people. And you know how much robbery and sitting then go on with you and rape and sitting. Because a taxi car, you know. So them a go take you now and pose like them a taxi driver now and take you and go do this. Maybe they have one lamp pile I work with them to you know. So lamp pile I work with them in the taxi thing. Because when people so look a lamp pile in the front now, one man or two man in the back, them will go in the car, them and say what one lamp pile in the front of the car, then you understand and know say this and that. Then I don't do me feel safe and a woman I go feel more safe and jump in there. And that's how they carry out them act. Lot of them wicked same thing ya. Then too wicked. Zine, then too wicked and cruel. Take the poor look old man car. How much money you get off a man where make feed the taxi work window? And take him and go fling them in a hole. You know same thing? Attack for Uno. Uno piece of same thing. Attack for Uno. See? Viewers and subscribers, this is Jamaica. And this is what we are living in, people. On a daily basis. See? But remember, you know, just sees and he knows. Yeah, it soon be done, man. So big up to yourself, my people. You don't know, so they attacking boss, they and full force viewers and subscribers. And more love, more respect, and more blessings, people. You don't know, full force. And we say attack. Big up if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell. So as I drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, people. You don't know, NEWLINK_production. Official and Twitter, NEWLINK production. Peace out. Attack.